Here in Nevada, drug paraphernalia includes not only materials that are used for ingesting drugs, but also used in the manufacturing of drugs. So it could include, theoretically, pipes, water bongs, roach clips, even beakers or other laboratory equipment if it was used in the manufacturing of methamphetamine.
Here in Nevada, a lot of times police will seize materials where it's not readily apparent that it was used for an illegal purpose. In order to establish that, police will often examine and check for residue, any indicia that it was used for an illegal drug purpose, and not for something such as smoking tobacco or another legal substance.
Simple possession of drug paraphernalia for personal use is only a misdemeanor in Nevada. So if you're convicted, you're looking at up to 6 months of local county jail. However, if you're convicted of selling paraphernalia or delivering it or manufacturing it, then it's a Category E felony and you can be looking at 1 to 4 years in Nevada State Prison. Even if you have the misfortune of being convicted of one of these Category E felonies, you're still entitled to automatic probation.
One common defense for possession of paraphernalia here in Nevada is that you didn't actually possess it. For example, you're riding in a vehicle and law enforcement pulls you over, they search the car, they recover some paraphernalia, they charge everyone in the vehicle. Well, if the state can't prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you individually possess the paraphernalia, then they cannot convict you of possession of drug paraphernalia.
Here in Las Vegas, Nevada, just because someone has a pipe, a bong pipe, or a syringe does not mean it was used for an illegal purpose. Quite often, we're able to establish that it was used for either legal medical marijuana, for tobacco, or for a drug that someone was validly prescribed. So a common example would be a syringe, and we're able to show that it was actually used for a legal purpose, such as insulin injection, and not to inject an illegal substance.